Hello guys and welcome back to Crypto Hasi. For today's video, we are going to talk about MEXC Blitz chip. But before that, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for review purposes or entertainment only. Always do your own research and invest what you can afford to lose always. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the Blue Chips update. $2 million prize pool awaits. Within 21 days, you need to register guys. Later, I will show you how to register here at the MEXC and claim prizes. So, zero fees on BTC, ETH, BNB, and Sol. Super Spin Fest, a Cybertruck awaits. Stake USDT to unlock up to 600% APR, guys. So, new user exclusive trade and refer to win 150,000 USDT. Okay, so you just need to deposit and trade spot to share 100,000, and then task to trade future to share 30,000 USDT. Invite friends to share 20,000 USDT, guys. So for all user, trade futures to share 200,000 USDT. This is the task that you need to do. Trade future to share, level up to unlock, and reach for the top to share, guys. Okay, so feature events, trade worry, free liquidation coverage, and new user welcome gifts. Okay, so right now, let's try this Super Spin Fest Cybertruck awaits. So just click here and just register, guys, using your Gmail, Telegram, or any platform you have. You can use Gmail, Apple Store, Telegram, you name it, guys. Easy to register here at the MEXC. So congratulations. Registration successful. This event is exclusive to new user. Each user can register for only one new user exclusive event and receive the rewards. So start your new user journey now. Okay? So got it? So right now we have one draw and one time. Okay, so remaining spin chances is 0. You can also win one iPhone 17 Pro Max, one Aussie Golds, Tesla Cybertruck, 0.1 USDT, and 0.001 BTC. So you just need to deposit at least $100, trade at least $100 in any spot, trade at least 1,000 in any future, guys. Okay, so this is the event right now. And also here at the Trade Worry Free, with the liquidation coverage, enjoy 100,000 USDT. You need to register user who position and liquidated during the event and ensure a single day total net liquidation loss of at least 2,000. You will have this 2,000 USDT in future bonuses daily per user, guys. If you lost 2,000 liquidation, this is for you. Alright guys, for the new user rewards hub, you can get up to 200 or 20 USDT. Claim up to 20 USD in new user rewards. So sign up to claim rewards, download app to claim rewards, and verify to claim rewards, guys. So advanced challenge, here it is. You can have 1,500, 3, and 1 to 10 copy trading tasks, guys. But the important thing is this new user exclusive reward, guys. Okay? So, unlock more rewards. So, cumulative net deposit and trades. And feature experience also available here at the MEXC. If you're a new user, just click my link on the description down below and you will get this free voucher, guys. Okay, so I think that's all about this new update about this MEXC. A very powerful $2 million prize pool awaits. So right now, register and claim your free reward here at MEXC. So 21 days to go, guys, to claim this reward. So again, this is Crypto Hasi. Bye-bye.